First three phases of the billion-dollar flood control project are due to be complete by the summer of 2020. Meanwhile, forecasters say the threat for major spring flooding is increasing in the Red River Valley.
The National Weather Service says there's a 50% chance the Red River will reach 35 feet in Fargo-Moorhead, which is considered major flood stage. That's up 4 feet from the last flood outlook issued in February. The Weather Service says much depends on how fast the snow melts. Grand Forks and Fargo have taken several measures, such as home buyouts and levees, since the record flood in 2009 when the river crested at 41 feet, and the cities were protected by a massive sandbagging effort.
North Dakota lawmakers